it's a simple one here. The sequential data. What is sequential data? We all know. The text, music, like audio, samples, and weather data, stock price, or like even motion capture, whatever, that can be sequential. You know, the sequence itself is an information that we say sequential data. And okay, time series data is subset of it. So this time series is a sequence with a timestamp. And timestamp, you know, like a time, or maybe like a what seconds, or what's the year, or and so on. So the timestamp, and it says almost always they are evenly spaced in time. I really like this phrase because I use stock price data set, but we know stock market closes over the weekend. So it's saying almost always evenly spaced, but like stock market, there can be a little bit of exception. Yeah, as we just touched, sequential data is a sequence of observations of a variable which have an ordering but doesn't necessarily have a timestamp. That's it. And how can we use the time series data set? So we know the ordering is very important. And let's just assume I have only one attribute, one feature. But then, okay, I have this data set, but I will just get maybe the 10 points together. So it's called a lagged, or the size of lag is a 10, let's say. But then, okay, what do you mean by that? It means I want to predict the next one. So 11th January 2017. But for that, I will give you the first 10 days from the 1st January to 10th January. So this is going to be input, and then at the end, give me the next one, 11th. That's just gist of it. Yeah, so it's called lagged variables. It can be used for sequential data.